What comes to your mind first when you think about Christmas? Santa Claus? Reindeer? Elves? Snowman? Cakes? Of course, chocolates, lights, candles, wreaths and garlands. Something we have been waiting all year for is just a few more hours away. Christmas is indeed a festival of joy and happiness, a day to celebrate the birth of Jesus our Savior. But above all, it's a celebration of God's love for the world, and it has the potential to bring out the best in people. This season holds profound lessons such as hope, love for one another, courage to face difficulties, and humble leadership. First of all, Christmas is a message of hope. For Christ the Lord and Savior was born. That is joyful good news for all people. He walked this earth for about 33 years, showing us how we are supposed to live. His life brought hopefulness to people who lived in the darkness of sin and bondages. It is a season to learn the lesson of unconditional love for all. It is out of His infinite love that God sent His only Son to the world. Jesus in turn gave His life for us on the cross and asked us to love one another as He loved us. Thus, Christmas inspires us to draw near to God and to one another, and we should improve in nurturing an atmosphere where relationships are highly valued. The best leaders are humble leaders. Leaders who are humble are amazing to watch and wonderful to follow. Jesus teaches us that our life does not just exist for ourselves, but for others as well. Our capacity to seek the good of others and to serve the growth of those around us requires that we make room for them to become more. The humility of God, who made the most modest entrance into human history, makes room for us to grow up and stand up and show up big in the world. Christmas is a message of humanity, love for all beings. At Christmas, we are happy to see Santa. The real Santa Claus existed in the 4th century in a place called Myra, an ancient Greek town. His name is Saint Nicholas. He lost his wealthy parents while he was still young. He obeyed Jesus' words to sell what you own and give the money to the poor. He assisted the needy, sick and suffering his entire life with his inheritance. He did it all secretly to avoid any attention or glory. His love for children and his generosity to those in need were hugely appreciated. The birth of Jesus Christ paved the way for the liberation of humankind with the new teaching of universal love, tolerance, and understanding that He gave to the world. As the ringing of the church bells and the singing of the festive hymns mark this festival, irrespective of one's faith, we all have a sense of duty to ourselves and to one another to make a difference in the world that is genuine and lasting. The spirit of Christmas is associated with human values of giving, sharing, forgiving, and taking care of others. Have a very Merry Christmas, friends. This is a grand season of love, peace, and joy. Do the season proud by serving others. Happy Christmas.